Come back. You have fun at the beach? This thing right here, beautiful piece of wood, isn't it? I bet that came all the way from like Jamaica.
Are you going to sell it?
It smells kind of like a dead fish though. I think I'm going to make some. What do you want to make out of it? We can make some like utensils for the camper.
I'm trying to do a boomerang.
This would not make a good boomerang, but I like where your mind's at. Oh yeah, that's looking good. No, Junie.
It's cool.
I might throw it in the burn pile.
Are you insane?
I don't know if it's that cool.
It is cool.
I didn't really like.
Could you put it in my room? Could you spray paint it?
Spray paint? It's beautiful wood.
Is it also rare wood?
You wouldn't want to spray paint it.
Why?
I don't know. I mean, I don't know if it looks that cool.
If you could just, did you carve deeper?
No, I didn't carve deeper. I'm trying to shape it better. Do you think the shape looks cool? It's like.
Maybe we could make it into an ark. Yeah, Noah's Ark, remember?
Could be Noah's
And we
Ark.
could put tiny animals in it. Do you think you could try to make something out of it?
Well, I've already made this. I'm just trying to decide if I want to keep it or not.
Dad?
I was going to put it in the camper since we found it on our camping trip and use it in the camper.
Dad, I think it's amazing.
Oh, you're sweet, June.
Yeah, it's cool.
Okay, so there it is. Just a simple little bowl carved right out of a piece of driftwood found on the beach in Port Aransas, Texas. This, gotta be honest, wasn't super pumped with how this came out. I think the wood looks really cool. It's super interesting. What was the most interesting about it was really soft on the surface, but then when you got down like 3/8 to ½ inch into it, it's like the wood got a lot more dense. But as far as the shape and the form and just the execution, I know I could do better than that. But I had a short window to do this, so we knocked it out. And plus my daughter, you saw there in the video, I thought about just scrapping it and doing another one. But she is very kind, and she saw the beauty in it, I guess. So we're going to keep it. So this will go in the Argosy. Just a good memory of camping at Port A. We'll have it there. I don't know what we'll do with it. Put keys, change, whatever you want in it. So that's it. Real quick, I want to add, celebrating 10 years of business, and we've got a t-shirt for it. So 10 years, still have 10 fingers, really cool shirt. I should do that a little slower so you guys can see it. I'll zoom in too. There, that's better. So 10 years, nothing better than keeping 10 fingers. So that's an accomplishment. Y'all can help support the channel by heading on over and ordering yourself a t-shirt. I would greatly appreciate it. I always appreciate you guys tuning in. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And see if you can tell me what type of wood this is. I mean, I have no clue. So, if you could tell me, that'd be awesome. As always, thanks for tuning in. We'll see y'all next time.